Jim Houston.
And I'm Bill Clement, and we will be bringing you all the action tonight. You know, Jim, watching the pregame skate, it looked like there was a lot of energy out there.
I hope they've got lots left to make this a good game. Colorado wins the draw. Avalanche fires from the right. That's icing against Florida. Colorado puts its checking line out. Yushkevich intercepts the pass. Great hit!
Oh, that is the kind of hit that legends are made of.
Intercepted. To the corner. He scores! Let's look at the replay.
Watch how this play develops. He takes the puck and takes a wrist shot from the left side. The goalie tries to get his blocker on it, but it beats him top shelf. Great play.
Colorado goal.
Stop. He knocks the puck away. He takes the puck ahead. Intercepted.
Chris Drury, and by number 26, Martin.
The goalie leaves the net on the delayed penalty call. He's going to the box for that cross-check. Can we get a replay of that penalty?
Here's the play that resulted in that last penalty being handed out.
Florida hasn't taken very many penalties. Both teams are getting lots of shots on goal, and the game has been played pretty evenly so far.
Florida penalty to number 7, 2 minutes for
Forsberg moves it ahead. Deadmarsh towards the net. Good save. Forsberg with the puck. Shot by Vince. That's stopped. Bob clears the puck down the ice. Bookberger. He takes the puck ahead. He's stopped. Vince with the puck. The puck's knocked loose by Bookberger. To center. He dekes out Vince. To the net. Bookberger shoots. Bob stopped it. Wow, got a piece of that shot. Deadmarsh quickly on it. Vince moves it on. Great hit. Forsberg jumps to it. He fakes out Vince. He's stopped. To Bookberger. The pass was intercepted. He shoots. He shoots. He goes to it. That's stopped. Wah gives it to Vince. He gets a hold of it. Snaps a BB. That's stopped. He picks it up. He picks it up. Forsberg passes it across. It's one-on-one. It was stopped by Wah. He collects the puck. Into a shot from the right. Penalty called for elbowing. Colorado goes on the power play. Here's the replay of the penalty.
Ooh, the coach won't be happy with this penalty.
Forsberg draws the puck back.
Florida penalty to number 26.
Vince takes the puck. Florida gets a breakaway. That's stopped. Forsberg passes the puck to Deadmarsh. Deadmarsh goes to it. He collects the puck. Forsberg hits him. He shoots! Nice save! Bookberger passes across. Great save!
Well, right now this power play unit is looking just a little unsure of itself.
Great hit!
Well, that was heading north in a southbound lane. Boom!
He's stopped. He goes to it. He shoots. He goes to it. Pass intercepted by Bob. Dingman goes to it. Bob stopped it. He's stopped. He goes to it. Good save. Dag gives it to Foot. Foot. It's one-on-one. To the wing. shoots from the left. That's stopped. The penalty will be called as soon as the Colorado Avalanche touch the puck. Penalty called for high sticking. Florida will have the man advantage. Let's take another look at that penalty.
You don't want to be taking too many penalties like this one. You know what? You don't want to be taking too many penalties, period.
Bookberger has found his way onto the score sheet tonight.
And it was a biggie, too. It put his team up by 1.
Bookberger, at the start of this contest, was ranked 6th on the team in penalty minutes. The Colorado Avalanche win the faceoff.
Colorado shooting to number 26.
That's offside.
Martin Ruzinski. 2 minutes for high sticking.
Florida puts its number 2 power play unit out. To the net. Robb made the save. He goes to it. Into the corner. One times it from the left.
Last minute of play in the
Colorado
first
has
period.
killed the penalty. To the wing. It's one-on-one. That's stopped. He goes to it. He one times it from the point. He takes the puck. He takes the puck. Tip. That's stopped. After 1 period, Colorado leads 1-0. Everybody, and welcome back for the second period. Florida won the draw. He scores! Here's the replay of that goal.
Watch this play. He gets a hold of the puck and gets off a shot from the right side. Wog makes a good effort, but it gets past him anyway. Great play.
With that goal, it's tied 1-1.
In the time it takes the puck to cross the goal line, bang, we got a brand new game here.
That's stopped.
Florida goal.
Wow,
Scored
moves
by
the puck
number
to
13.
Ozelic.
Assisted
It's
by number
1-on-1.
5.
That's stopped.
And
He collects the puck. Colorado collects the puck. It's 1-on-1. Sakic shoots. Bob made the glove save. Stolen by Dedmont. That's stopped. Dumont gets a hold of it. Bob saves. Moves ahead to the wing. He shoots from the right. Waugh stopped it. Daig gets a breakaway. Good save. Daig gets hit. He fakes out Yushkevich. What a hit! He gets the puck. To the offensive zone. That's stopped. Picked up by Dingman. He's checked to Ben. It's 1-on-1. Great save. He gets the puck to his own blue line. Florida gets the puck to his own blue line. Colorado gets it. It's 1-on-1. Florida with the puck. Colorado gets it. He gets a hold of it. McLean goes to it. He picks it up. Florida gobbles it up. Moves ahead. It's 1-on-1. That's stopped. Forsberg out of his own zone. Who is thumped? It's a breakaway. He's in the clear. Robb moves the puck to DeBreeze. Bookberger shoots. Bob made the save. Great hit. Lushinsky passes back. Yushkevich gets hit. Lushinsky passed it. He's nailed. Drury picks it up. Bob saves it. Bookberger jumps to it. Daig hits him. Winds up. Waugh stopped it. Return pass to Bookberger. Nice save. He goes to it. Daig dishes out a hit. Winds up. He shoots from the left. Waugh stopped it. It's 1-on-1 to the net. Shoots. He goes to it. He shoots from the right. He scored! Yeah! Let's take a look at the replay.
The great thing about a wrist shot is it gives the goalie less time to set up for the shot.
With that goal, Florida now leads by a score of 2-1.
The longer they can hold on to this lead, the more their opponents will have to open up their game in an effort to tie this up.
Florida goal.
Forsberg passes it back.
Assisted by number 91.
He collects the puck to the neutral zone. He's got a breakaway. That's stopped. Colorado gets a hold of it. McLean gets hit. He takes the puck. He's checked. He gets the puck. He gets the puck. Avalanche gets the puck to his own blue line. Deadmarch moves it on. Dumont, he scores! Let's take another look at that goal.
Backhanders tend not to be particularly hard shots, but sometimes it's difficult for the goalie to get a read on it.
With that goal, it's 2-2.
Now they've given themselves a chance to take the lead here. Let's see what they can do with it.
A delayed call against Brushinski.
Colorado goal. Scored by number 17, Jean-Pierre Dumont.
He's going to get called for hooking.
Sandis Avalanche. And
here's a second look at that penalty.
You can usually get away with a little bit of hooking, but you always take your chances when you do it.
Bookberger has found the mark tonight.
He's really helped the cause with a goal.
Florida one-times it from the right. Great save. Foot cleared it out of harm's way. He collects the puck.
Colorado penalty to number 26. Martin uses
shoots from the right. Walker stopped it. One time from the right. That's stopped. He goes to it. Colorado has killed the penalty. Forsberg clears the puck to the corner after 2 periods. It's 2-2.
Phone the box office or visit our website to reserve your tickets today.
Welcome back for third period action. And the power play just hasn't produced well for Colorado.
Well, they're definitely going to have to work on that. You just don't win a lot of hockey games in this league by wasting all your power play.
To center. Waugh makes the save. Avalanche collects the puck. Dumont passes it across. He's got a breakaway. That's stopped. He shoots. Great save. Second hits him. That's stopped. Took the shot. Bob made the glove save. That's stopped. Sakic passes it across to Foot. Dumont takes the puck ahead. That's stopped. He goes to it. To the wing. Florida takes over. He gets a hold of it. Stones him. DeVries passes across. Bob takes over. Drury shoots. Oh, what a save! It's a breakaway. He's in the clear. Waugh kept it out. Colorado gets the puck. Brushinski moves it ahead. He's checked. He steals the pass. Ben gets possession. He has it. Florida jumps to it to the wing. Waugh got a piece of that shot. Gets picked up by the Colorado Avalanche. He takes the puck. Daig takes possession. It was stopped by Daig. Scores! Here's the replay of that goal.
Check this out. Daig gets control of the puck and takes a tricky backhand shot from the left side. The goalie tries to get a toe on it, but it finds its way into the back of the net regardless. Nice work.
Shoots! He takes the puck.
Colorado goal.
He shoots. That's stopped.
22.
Waugh gets the puck to Vince. Moves ahead. McLean shoots. Florida takes possession. Great hit. It's 1-on-1. Bob saw it all the way. McLean throws a body check. Picked up by Sakic. The penalty will be called as soon as the Colorado Avalanche turn it over. He's going to the box for that high stick. Here's the replay.
You know, you shouldn't get your stick up like that on other players. It's just plain dangerous.
They move into position for the faceoff.
Florida penalty.
What a save!
2 minutes.
Bob gets the puck. That's stopped. Deadmarsh shoots the puck. Deadmarsh gets hit. He shoots! Kicked aside. To his own blue line. He's got a breakaway. He shoots from the left. Waugh stopped it. He hangs on to the puck. Colorado got a road win last time these teams met. They just got past Florida by a score of 5-4. Bob and Waugh were minding the nets. Dumont spotted the winner, and they needed extra time to decide the game. The goalie leaves the net on the delayed penalty call. Ozolin gets called for cross-checking. Let's get another look at that play.
Ooh, the coach won't be happy with this penalty.
Bookberger is getting loads of ice time tonight.
It seems like he spent more of this game on the ice than he has on the bench. It's incredible.
Forsberg moves it ahead.
2 minutes for
Bob
Prospect.
picks it up. To center. Forsberg collects the puck. He goes to it. Florida goes to it. Moves ahead. It's one-on-one. That's stopped. Ozolin steps back on the ice as the penalty expires. Colorado beats out the icing call. Interception. Tip. Shot. It's off the post. He is stopped.
Oh, man, was that a close one?
Interception. That's stopped. It's one-on-one. Yushkevich gets the puck. That's stopped. Bob hangs onto the puck. The Florida Panthers have called a timeout.
Some coaches are smart enough to call a timeout if they sense a turning point coming in the game.
The teams line up for the faceoff. He's hit by second. He gets a hold of it. Bob makes a nice save. To center. He scores! Here's the replay of that goal.
Watch this. He takes the puck and takes a well-aimed shot from close in. The goalie tries to get the big trapper on it, but it sneaks past him. Great play.
Florida goal.
It's one-on-one.
Number 42.
He goes to it. He shoots. That's stopped.
And by number 13.
Picked up by Rushinsky.
In the third period.
Shoots. That's stopped. The third period is over. This game's going to overtime.
Please contact us at 555-PARK.
Welcome back, folks. This overtime period will be getting underway very shortly. Colorado draws the puck back. Foot passes across. It was stopped by Bob. He makes a move to get past Dumont. It's one-on-one. That's stopped. Florida gets possession. Great hit. Nice save. He takes the puck. Deadmarsh checks him. Foot shoots the puck. Bob made the glove save. Colorado touches the puck for icing. Florida puts its scoring line out. He's whacked. Moves ahead. Shoots! That's stopped. Into the corner. He is checked. He gets the puck. That's stopped. He goes to it. He's hit by Vince. He goes to it. The net is off its moorings. Colorado makes a line change. The Panthers win the faceoff. Dingman shoots. Bob stopped it. Picked up by Dingman. That's icing against the Colorado Avalanche. Colorado puts its second line out. Vince moves it ahead. Shot. Robb made the stick save. McLean passes across. Stops it. Into the middle. Robb saw it all the way. He plays the puck to Vince. To center. Got a piece of that shot. He takes the puck. He gets the puck. Great save! It's one-on-one. Waugh stopped it. Brushinski has a breakaway. Bob stopped it. Intercepted. Brushinski. Bob made the glove save. That's icing against the Florida Panthers. Florida puts its second line out. The ref gets ready to drop the puck. Sakic draws the puck back. He goes to it. He takes the puck. Dumont, he's stopped. He scores!
Sometimes it's luck, sometimes it's skill. In overtime, you'll take the win any way you can get it.
After sudden death, this one is over. The Colorado